Wala lang. First time ko gagawin to, kaya gusto ko lang mag-unbox. Tada! Hey guys! It's Judes! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll do unboxing plus a little bit of review ng Lux Skin of IPL hair removal. IPL laser hair removal. So, ayun. I got this one for $59. Sa US tong company na to. So, in Canadian dollars, it's like $93 plus shipping fee na yun. So, ayun. I'm so excited to try this actually. Hinintay ko talaga tong day off ko to open this and everything. I got this yesterday. Nakita ko lang siya actually sa Facebook page. And then, binili ko na. Tapos, binili ko siya kahit ganitong pandemic. Natagalan lang bago ko na-receive like 20 days to be exact. So, ayun. Let's see. So, open ko na. Sana worth it. Ito yung pinakamurang IPL na nakita ko online. Kasi pag nag-search ako sa Amazon, yung mga nakikita ko, mga nasa $300. So, ito, na-tsempohan ko na sale. Akala ko, $59 lang talaga. So, sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang mura. So, binili ko na. Pagka-check ko sa credit card ko, $93 yung nabawas. Yung pala, US dollars. So, pagkabukas yun ng box, ito yung makikita nyo. And ito yung adapter niya na isasaksak habang ginagamit. And then, ito yung manual niya. Yan. So, nandito yung benefits like no need to charge, just plug the device and go. Painless and fast to use. Well, let's see. How to use, tips for best results. Use once per week lang for 12 weeks. Okay. Safety glasses are not required with our handset, but do not use to close the eyes. Okay, ito yung mga facts niya. So, I'll read some. Do I need to shave before using? Yes, you must shave before each use to get results. I want to use on my face, but I don't want to shave my face. For face, you can use a derma blade, which is a very cheap tool available at... okay. Well, gusto ko sana din itry yung face ko, pero hindi ako nakakuha ng pang-shave sa face. So, itatry ko yung arms, legs, for today. Oh, satisfying pala. Ay, baligtad. So, ayan. Lux Skin. Excited to try this. Sana worth it. So, ayan, sinaksak ko na siya. And, ayan yung green na nagdo-blink. So, it means it's working. And then, sabi, pipindutin tong green button na to para ma-level 1 hanggang 5 yung intensity niya. So, let's see. So, ayan, narinig niyo ba? Yan yung level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, kung gusto ko na siya i-try on my skin, ito yung pipindutin, itong malaki. And then, ito yung parang, ano niya, air something. So, ayan. Siyempre, ito-try ko muna yung level 1. Ayan, balik sa number 1. Oh my God! Ito na. So, ayan. So, ayan. I'll try it with level 1 intensity on this one. So, let's do this. Wait lang. Ay, hindi siya masakit. Siyempre, level 1 lang. Pero let's... Wait lang. Ay, hindi niyo pala kita. Try ko muna dito. Or sa legs. Wait. Ang hirap. Wait. So, ayan. Balikan ko kayo later, guys. Tapusin ko lang tong dalawang arms ko, ha? Bye! Hindi siya masakit. Hirap na hirap ako. Mamaya na. Hey guys, I'm back. So, I just finished using this one. It took me like 30 to 35 minutes to do everything. Like my legs, my arm, and my underarm as well. And for me, totoo nga, it's painless. Yung heat niya is bearable. Wow, bearable. Oo, hindi siya masakit eh. May mga konting part lang na skin natin. Kunyari yung mga maninipis. Medyo naramdaman ko yung sakit, pero parang pitik lang. Kayang-kaya sis. So, eto. Feeling ko worth it talaga siya. Well, let's see. Maaga pa to say it. Pero, ayun. I'll let you guys know. Wow. I'll let you guys know. So, ayun. Babalitaan ko kaya after 3 weeks. Kasi sabi nung iba, kaya ako talaga ito binili kasi dahil sa sobrang daming good reviews. Sabi nung iba, after a week daw, yung iba, tubo ng hair is manipis na. Yung iba naman, yung wala ng hair talaga sa part ng skin. Ay, ito pala yung medyo parang masakit lang. Ito, tinry ko to. I-laser. Ito. Medyo masakit lang. Ewan ko. Tinry ko kasi ata siya agad ng level 3. See ya guys! Bye! Thank you for watching!